Hi there, my name is Yunhan Peters and I am a client director at Librestream. Librestream provides the leading augmented reality platform that enables subject matter experts to connect with their colleagues immediately to solve their problems. And this has, of course, the benefits of cost savings and increased service revenue streams. We work with manufacturing companies all over the world, such as Fanuc, Voith, and also Renault Trucks, for example. Today, I'm going to show the demonstration of our platform on site together with Panasonic Toughbook with my colleague Francois Savary, the technical expert. So now we're going to show the demonstration. Francois here is the remote expert providing assistance, and I'm going to be the technician in a manufacturing plant to perform the maintenance task. So let's now take a look. So this is the dashboard of the Librestream on-site platform. And I'm standing before the machine and I have a problem with the machine that I need to fix, but I don't know how, so I'm going to call my colleague Francois. So here with this, you can press here to see the address book and then going to call. So you can see that he has already accepted the call, and now we can start the session.
Yes, so now I am able to actually control the call and take, for example, a picture. Can you go a bit closer to
Sure.
the reference so I can take a picture? Now I can even submit that to the cognitive services so that it will read the text and read the QR code so that we are able to index that. And then maybe if you can show me what is a full view of the machine. So typically here we see that this tube is not on the belt. So maybe if you can confirm that on your side, that you have seen that it's the correct point, if you can show that also, because you can also annotate on the other side. So now I'm going back to the live feed. And if you can actually replace that sample on the belt. And now we see that the machine is solved. So we're done with the demonstration. We are sorry, but we are not able to actually show all the advanced features of on-site platform. For us, what is really important as a concept is the concept of knowledge networks. These knowledge networks will actually try to make the life easier for the field worker, typically introducing AI capabilities like natural language processing that will, for example, assist you in the call and having the transcript or even translation of the person speaking in another language on the other side.
所以我真高兴有这个工具能帮助我。The demonstration has now come to an end. We really hope that you have enjoyed it. We are happy to take any follow-up questions you may have. Thank you very much.
Hello, Yunhan and Francois. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. And thank you so much for your demonstration. Looks really cool.
Thank you for inviting us.
And the audience actually agreed. They already have a first question for you. I must say that I think it's probably a question that you get oftentimes. If you would have to compare yourself from other tools like a Zoom, what is it that your application can do more? Why is an AI or AR-powered remote collaboration tool different from a normal one like a Zoom or a Teams?
Okay, yeah, thank you for raising this question. And of course, this is one of the questions that we usually get also from our prospects. So I would say that apart from one of the AI capabilities we have seen in video, like the NLP real-time translation service, we have many more advanced features, for example, like with the IoT visualization and also computer vision technologies, which can also help you to identify more IoT data and also to read the serial number or like the temperature or just the pressure of those machines. And one of our value propositions is that our solution works under extremely low bandwidth. So when I'm talking about really extremely low bandwidth, I mean like 30 kbps. I mean, Teams, what we are using now, they actually require 400 to 500 kbps. So as you can imagine, like in many warehouses or in the oil field, we are very strong in that sector too. They have this very rugged environment that they need to really be able to overcome the internet connectivity. So that is really also one of our capabilities here. And apart from that, our knowledge network experience is what we would like to really provide to our customers here, that they are able to transfer the knowledge and then pass the information also to the later generation. When, for example, the manufacturing industry, we see that the baby boomers are retiring, and you need to also be able to transfer this knowledge to the next generation. And apart from that, we are also providing this enterprise-grade security and privacy. So we work with many aviation defense companies like Thales, Airbus, Safran, for example. And as you can imagine, they have very high standard on these aspects too. And I mean, our goal is really try to make our customers' life, the workers' life, as easy as possible, so they can use the tools with our enhanced AI capabilities here, and to increase the efficiency, resiliency, and also one of the things, safety for this worker environment. And then the last point maybe I want to mention is that our solution is also device agnostic. So I mean, with Toughbook, we are obviously working very well together with it, but we also work on like smart glasses and just plain mobile phones.
All right. Well, thank you so much for the clarification. I think it's the last time people will ever compare you to Zoom. Clarified a lot. A second question that came through was, and that's a bit more general, can you provide some more information on OnSites, your application, on the integration with Microsoft products?
Okay, so what we have a lot of integration capabilities. We are providing REST API capabilities, and we are typically also integrating with Microsoft solutions, for example. So we are providing an integration with Microsoft Dynamics 365 field service. So you would be able to actually trigger a call from a work order, retrieve all media files that you would have generated during that call back to Dynamics 365 for you to be able to use for later usage. And also we are having also a Teams applications, for example, and also an application with Microsoft HoloLens 2 glasses, for example. And we also provide other integration, direct integration. We are trying to provide integration with all the leaders in ERPs or CRM systems. So we have integrations with Salesforce or SAP Field Service Management, for example. But we are also providing a REST API allowing you to really integrate with all external systems.
Exactly.